Hey, welcome back. So, having trouble with Cash App payments failing for security reasons? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and we've got you covered with simple fixes. Today, we'll walk through why this happens and how to solve it fast. So, first, why does it happen? Cash App flags payments if it detects something odd, like a new device, unusual activity, or a risky recipient. When you see payments failed for security reasons, it's their way of protecting your accounts. So, let's fix it. So start by ensuring your account's in good shape. Open Cash App, go to your profile and verify your identity if you haven't. Full name, date of birth, and last four of your social security number. Also confirm your linked card or bank has enough funds and isn't expired. Next, check your setup. Using a VPN, turn it off. Cash App doesn't like masked locations. Log out, then log back in from a trusted device on a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. This can clear glitches that trigger security blocks. Look at the payment itself. Double check the recipient's hashtag, phone number, or email. Typos can flag it. If it's someone new, try a small test payment first. Cash App's more likely to block big transfers to untrusted contacts. Still stuck? Reach out to their Cash App. From your profile, tap support and then start a chat or call their number. Explain the issue, they can review security flags and unlock your payments. Be patient, it might take a few hours. That's it. Verify your accounts, tweak your settings, check the details, and lean on support if needed. You'll be sending cash again in no time. Try these fixes. Let me know what works in the comments. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.